Hey family, what's going on today? I tried to go live. It's not happening. Y'all see I made me some nachos. I think I probably need to put it down here so y'all can get a good look at it. Good look. Good look. I made me some nachos and chili. Y'all know this is my favorite because it's so easy to make. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. And actually I am. And I apologize to y'all. I have not been on for a while. But a sister girl has been tired, burnt out, working. And them hours been kicking my butt. But anyway, let's get on with these nachos. And this chili. And this cheese. And this sour cream. I know y'all want to hear less talking and more eating. I'm telling y'all. Good. Oh, Lord Jesus. I had to put a little scoop of sour cream on there. Oh, Lord. I had a taste for this. I was going to make some tacos, but I ain't want no tacos. See y'all. I love this. That's chili. These nachos. I guess to scoop it on up in there. Y'all, I'm scooping. And I got some big cake. Y'all know I can't drink this pop that much. Because I had a scare with these kittens, okay? There ain't nothing to play with. Ooh. That's a doozy. That's one thing. Dr. Pepper give me them good burps. Ooh, Lord. This is Beloved Life, a challenge she had. The most messiest thing that I can eat is with my fingers is these nachos. She had a challenge with no utensils. And y'all know I don't mind eating with my fingers. Shirt. Sop that on up. Yeah, I know I ain't doing that much talking. Sister girl's a little tired. And I still ain't gonna get no sleep. I gotta go to work. Oh. Boy, I'm telling y'all. Y'all have to try this. I put some ground turkey in here too. This ad over here hurting a little bit, y'all. Have to sit back a little bit. Light Bright ain't feeling too good because I know y'all gonna ask about her in the comments. She been had kind of a chest cold. Y'all pray for my family. I never met my cousin, but her daughter passed away. She was 9 years old. I don't know what happened, you know, but that's just a devastating thing. It made me cry. She was 9 years old. I think it was in Ohio. Did y'all hear about the man who left his twins? He left them in the car. He dropped off his 3-year-old and said he forgot about the twins. He worked for 8 hours, came back out to the car because it was hot, and they died. Family, please check on your elderly. Please check on your family. Because we have been getting some hot weather. Weather ain't no joke. Y'all here in the background, y'all see my air conditioner going. Oh, sucker. Oh, wait a minute.
Exactly.
Damn.
Yeah, look at this. You see that?
It looks pretty. Family, that's the middle child. Let them see your dress.
Hell no, I didn't even see this damn dress.
Come over here.
Mama, no.
Come here.
Mama,
It looks so nice on
no,
her.
it don't. My booty.
Family. She can't help it. She got a buttocks back there. And there's no injections and no plastic surgery, none of that.
Oh, damn.
Family, she done made my light go out.
I'm sorry.
Okay, there we go. See, look at her, family.
No, Mama, this is bogus. I don't want this damn dress on.
Ooh, that look good.
No, it don't. You can see my booty cheeks.
Y'all can't see her booty cheeks. You can't see her.
Yes, you can.
That dress is sexy. She got a little pouch with that, so that ain't nothing. You know she look pretty, y'all. I'm drinking. Give y'all one more burp. This is strong too. Woo. Yes, fam. He left his babies in the car. 2 twins. How can you not hear your babies? How? I don't understand that. Because you know 1-year-olds, they make a lot of noise. And there's 2 of them. But it's between him and God. Only he knows. But family, I love y'all. And I'll be coming on more again. Because y'all know I was on here every day. 2-3 times a day. I just been moving so much lately. You know, just moving around, shaking and baking. But family, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all subscribe if y'all not a part of the Yo Faith family. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what it is, what it do, what it be, what it is. And Josiah, I love you for coming and asking me when that you gonna upload. And that prank that you recommended, it's in the making. It's in the making. And make sure y'all hit that notification button. So when I come on, y'all can come on too. I love y'all. And y'all have a good evening. And y'all know y'all be seeing me later. Mystery Child, what do you want to say to the family?
Bye.
What you want to say?
Mama, don't be putting me up there like that. Come on now. Don't put me in my roll short. Don't do that.
She always talking about her rolls. Shut up.
Okay, bye, y'all. Please. Come on now.
Y'all see how she do me?
I don't do nothing like that.
Yes, she do.
No,
Y'all
I
see how
don't.
she do me, family?
Don't start that again.
Y'all see how she do me? Well, at least I know y'all love me, okay? What you got to say about that now?
Mama, calm some.
What you got to say about that now?
Mama, calm some.
What you got to say?
Oh.
I'm gonna see y'all later, family. Love you.